Tecumseh 13.0 Enduro XL. When I try to turn it over, it makes a ridiculous sound. It's a very loud screeching sound, so be ready because it's going to be really loud. So, not quite sure. I mean, I've done a few of the things I've seen on YouTube, trying to get things to work. I mean, like they say, it's got a lot of compression here. I've worked on I mean, it does move, but it's been sticking a bit. Took a look in here, did some of the videos from there. New spark plug, charged the battery. So it just won't turn over. It's making that fun noise. So if anyone's got any ideas out there, I'm definitely game to hear. I can't get this thing to start. So I haven't played around with the starter yet. But it sounds like it wants to turn over, just won't. So sorry about that. Moved the camera wrong way. So, yep. Post your thoughts. I'll give them a try, and I appreciate it.